Travel Phi Phi Island. Everything you need to know about Phi Phi Islands. The Phi Phi Islands are some of the loveliest in Southeast Asia. Just a 45-minute speedboat trip or a 90-minute ferryboat ride from either Phuket or Krabi, these picture postcard islands offer the ultimate tropical getaway. Featuring classic tropical beaches, stunning rock formations and vivid turquoise waters teeming with colorful marine life, it is paradise perfected. Phi Phi is a group of 6 islands. The 2 main islands are Phi Phi Don and Phi Phi Lay. The larger and inhabited Phi Phi Don attracts hundreds of visitors to stay on its lovely shores, while the smaller uninhabited Phi Phi Lay hosts stunningly beautiful bays and beaches, including the world-famous Maya Bay, which was the set where The Beach with Leonardo DiCaprio was filmed. Hotels in Phi Phi. We recommend to our friends low-cost, mid-range, and luxury hotels await you in this tropical paradise that attracts, during peak season, something like 10,000 visitors a day. This includes residents, day trippers, and overnighters. We've picked out 3 hotels that belong to different star ratings that we would stay at or recommend to our closest relatives. Best places to go at night in Ko Phi Phi. The best bars in Ko Phi Phi Don are spread equally over the island's 3 main areas: Tonsai Village, the main urban center, Tonsai East, and Lo Dalam Bay. Most of the bar options in Phi Phi go for 2 contrasting approaches, either the laid-back vibe or a pumping party atmosphere. However, some bars, as you shall see, succeed in wrapping both ambiences up in one venue. Everything you need to know about Tonsai Bay is the bustling heart of Phi Phi. The bay hosts Phi Phi Island's main village, and it is the main arrival port in Phi Phi. Here, there are no cars or roads, only footpaths. The village is located on an isthmus, for which Phi Phi is famous, with Tonsai Bay on the south side and Lo Dalam Bay on the north. What to buy and where to shop in Phi Phi Islands. A few years ago it seemed that all you could buy on Phi Phi was food, beer and hippie jewelry, but in the recent past shopping opportunities have blossomed and grown on the island. Clothes stores often double as impromptu minimarts, while minimarts sell clothes, and at the same time bookstores masquerade as bars and coffee shops, while coffee shops are the place to find good books. Where and what to eat in Phi Phi Island. Seafood is the star attraction on Phi Phi, with many places displaying the day's catch as an effective way to attract customers. But Thai and Western options, from quick grab-and-go snacks to candlelit meals, are also in pleasing abundance. Tonsai Village is the center of the Phi Phi diners universe. What to do in Phi Phi Islands. Most of Phi Phi Island's activities are open air. Just about the only form of activity that takes place behind closed doors is when your head hits the pillow. The many bays found on the 6 islands that compose the group, as well as coral reefs that lie a short distance off the shores, offer a great choice of world-class snorkeling and diving sites.